Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Harshit. Today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 27. Remove elements. The problem is interesting because we are now not creating a new array. Instead, we need to modify the existing array itself. Let's understand that what's the problem is asking. So the problem understanding is that we are given an array number, a value VL. Our task is to remove all occurrence of value from the array. The remaining element should be placed at the beginning of the array. Let's see an example of 3 2 2 3. The value is 3. We need to remove all threes. Remaining element should be 2 2. So the answer becomes 2 because only two valid elements remain. So our first observation is that let's think about what we need to actually do. So we don't need to physically delete elements. We only need to move the valid elements to the front. For example, num 3 3 3 2 2 3. Whenever we find a number that is not equal to value, we place it at the next available position. Let's build the logic. So, first let's create a variable that keeps the track of where we should place the next valid element. So here we'll create a variable int k which will be equals to 0. After that we will traverse on the array. So for int I equals to 0 equals to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. If the current element is not equal to value, then it should remain in the array. So if nums of I is not equal to value, then place it at index k. So nums of k will be equal to nums of I. Now move k forward. So here k plus plus. After the loop finishes, k will represent the number of valid elements. So we will simply return the k. So here we will return the k. So now let's submit the answer and let's test is it correct or not. So here a simple mistake is here which we will correct. We will have to return the k after the loop. So here. So we can see at the test cases it is passed. Now let's submit the answer and see is it acceptable or not. So as we can see that it has passed all 116 test cases and it has been accepted by the LeetCode. So here the time complexity would be ON because we traverse the array once, and the space complexity would be O1 because we are modifying the same array. The problem introduces a very important idea. Instead of deleting elements, sometimes it's easier to overwrite valid elements. You will see this technique again in many array problems. If you find this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.